अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट। इंग्लिश मेथड के सवालात पेश किए जा रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, टेस्ट एम्ड टू फाइंड लैंग्वेज स्किल्स acquired during the course of instruction is the answer achievement test. Question number 2, structural oral situational approach came into practice as an alternative to answer direct method. Question number 3, the objective of the supplementary reader is to answer increase the reading speed. Question number 4, the task implied to develop the skill of writing is answer composition. Question number 5, identify the structural words given below. 4 options. Number 1, get. Number 2, slow. Number 3, doctor. Number 4, from. Answer from. Question number 6, identify the word which has the similar pronunciation as the underlined letter in the word prize. 4 options. Number 1, wise. Number 2, advice. Number 3, price. Number 4, rise. Answer wise.